Hello kids, welcome back. Kids, today let's draw the shape. This is black color. Now let's draw the shape. Pentagon. Cube. Cylinder. Circle. Heart. Eight-point star. Pentagon, cube, cylinder, circle, heart, 8-point star. Yellow color. Pentagon. Light pink color. Cube. Sky blue color. Cylinder. Brown color. Circle. Red color. Heart. Green color. Eight-point star. Pentagon, yellow color. Cube, light pink color. Cylinder, sky blue color. Circle, brown color. Heart, red color. 8-point star, green color.